Hi everyone, today I have a very quick tutorial for you about how to export objects from your Cinema 4D scenes individually. So a question from a student of mine was, how do I export an object from my Cinema 4D scene without having to copy and paste it into another file? Because what you would normally do is, if you wanted to export this heart, for example, you would copy it and you would go to File, New, and then you just paste it into a new project, and then from there you would go File and you would either save as, or you would export it as a specific format. So what you can do in your Cinema 4D project is, once you have an object selected, you can actually go up to File in the Object tab, not the main file. So File, and then select Export Selected Object As, and you can export your object as any format you see fit. So I can export it as 3ds, Collada, FBX, so whatever format I see fit, I can export it straight from this file option in my Objects tab rather than the main file. So this is how you export your objects separately, individually from your Cinema 4D scenes, and I hope this has been useful to you, and I will see you soon.